My gal. Have a date tonight.
Really? I'm happy. So who is this boy?
I don't know.
I hope he is a good kid. I am the mayor of this town. If that boy ever make my head hurts, he's dead.
Oh, stop it. Willie. You make my head hurts now.
Honey darling, I am going to hire a Jamaican cooked. A great one.
Finally. Yes. A long time I don't eat some curry. White rice and some chicken back.
Honey, I'm going to the office now. So later.
Well. Hello, handsome. You're such a cake to eat.
Well, hello to you too, my girl. What's up?
I like you.
You got to be fucking kidding me. You and my granny looked alike. Old full of Broadway Road. Oh fucked. You're fucked.
I like your style. What's your name, big dog?
Jellyface. And yours?
Just call me ice cream.
My rooster backyard. What this world gone to?
Where you're from, Jellyface?
Me come from Jamdong. Also known as Jamaica. The best place pan the planet, baby.
So I heard.
See you around. I have an interview on Monday. Okay, Granny.
Okay, my heart attack.
Shit. One crazy gal. Sexy body, sexy cheeks, sexy ass, sexy lips. Why them feds that fly round like bird's eye view? Fuck them chicken heads, head.